Would you kindly take off your
Take off
glasses,
your
please?
glasses.
Close your eyes and
Perfect
make
na
a
tayo.
wish.
I hope I'll do
That's
it.
perfect now. No? No?
Don't wipe away my face.
Ano, pag pinutol mo yun, parang siyang
Baba.
ano sa yung puting-puting yun, ilagay natin dito.
When we call you the next time, you will have with us. You need to maintain your no, not change,
Okay.
maintain it.
Yeah, for continuity.
Yes.
Sure.
Thank you.
How about my hair?
Yeah, you have to maintain. You have to remember
I
the
can
hair
cut it
style.
also.
Everything.
Everything because we need it or we continue.
How about my pimple?
Please, or I'll be dead. I'll be dead.
Miss Marge is dead. Dead on
Me
arrival.
dead. Should I?
Sino?
Actually, gupitan sa
Gupitan dapat sa dulo.
Okay po. Thank you.
You're
You're welcome.